Hi everyone, it's Jake Quintin here from First Track Dents and welcome back for another YouTube video. Okay, so today I'm bringing you a re-edited video of a paintless dent removal repair I did about 9 years ago. It's a standard mild steel panel on a Mini 1 rear quarter panel. Looking at the damage, I'd probably say it had been kicked. So as you can see from the before video intro, it actually left quite a few areas of tight locked in creased metal across this panel. How did it turn out? Stay tuned and you'll find out. Well, there you go. That certainly was a case of extreme dent removal. So considering the severity of that dent and the heavy creases that were in it, I probably managed to get that back to about 90–95%. The customer was only looking for an improvement, so I was really pleased with the result. So once again, if you enjoyed this video, it would be great to get a thumbs up, and if you want to see and learn more about the paintless dent removal process, then hit that subscribe button and you will be notified as soon as new videos are available. But for now, we'll see you on the next video.